In today's video we would be talking about top 5 best dash cams of the year. Through extensive research and testing by our experts, we have put together a list of options that meets the needs of different types of buyers, and for more information on products I have included links in the description. Now like the video and support our channel's journey by subscribing. Let's get started. In the ever-evolving landscape of dash cams, the Viofo A119 Mini 2 secures its place as a top contender for drivers seeking a reliable and cost-effective solution to safeguard their journeys. As the fifth entry on our list of the top 5 best dash cams in 2024, the Viofo A119 Mini 2 earns its spot through its impressive blend of affordability and performance. At the heart of the Viofo A119 Mini 2 lies its Sony STARVIS2 sensor, renowned for its ability to capture crisp and clear video footage, even in challenging low-light conditions. Whether you're driving through bright daylight or navigating dimly lit streets at night, this dash cam ensures that every detail is captured with precision and clarity. One of the standout features of the Viofo A119 Mini 2 is its expansive 140-degree viewing angle. This wide field of view ensures that you capture a comprehensive perspective of the road ahead, minimizing blind spots and providing a complete picture of your surroundings. Whether you're driving on highways or navigating through city streets, the Viofo A119 Mini 2 has you covered. Despite its compact and discreet design, the Viofo A119 Mini 2 packs a punch in terms of functionality. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it easy to navigate through settings and customize your recording preferences. Additionally, its small form factor allows for seamless installation on your windshield, ensuring minimal distraction while driving. Prospective buyers will find that the Viofo A119 Mini 2 offers excellent value for money, providing a balance of affordability and performance that is hard to beat in the dashcam market. With its high-quality video capture capabilities and wide viewing angle, this dashcam offers peace of mind to drivers without breaking the bank. However, it's essential to note that the Viofo A119 Mini 2nd of May lacks some of the more advanced features found in higher-end dashcams. While it excels in its core functions of video capture and recording, it may not offer the same extensive array of features as pricier alternatives. In conclusion, the Viofo A119 Mini 2 stands out as a top choice for drivers seeking a reliable and budget-friendly dashcam solution. With its impressive video quality, wide viewing angle, and compact design, it offers everything you need to capture and protect your journeys on the road. Diving into the fourth spot on our list is the Nextbase IQ. This high-end dashcam is a powerhouse of smart features, designed to elevate your driving experience to the next level. One of the standout features of the Nextbase IQ is its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily transfer footage from the dashcam to your smartphone or other devices, making it convenient to review and share footage whenever you need to. The GPS functionality adds an extra layer of security, allowing you to accurately track your location and speed at all times. But the Nextbase IQ doesn't stop there. It goes above and beyond by connecting to your smartphone to provide you with live traffic updates and other essential information. This real-time data ensures that you're always informed about road conditions, allowing you to navigate safely and efficiently. When it comes to capturing the action on the road, the Nextbase IQ excels with its very wide viewing angle of 150 degrees. This expansive field of view ensures that you capture everything happening in front of your vehicle, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. In addition to its smart features, the Nextbase IQ delivers high-quality video footage, allowing you to capture every detail with clarity and precision. Whether you're documenting a scenic drive or capturing footage for insurance purposes, you can rely on the Nextbase IQ to deliver stunning visuals every time. While the Nextbase IQ offers a multitude of benefits, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. One of the main cons of this dashcam is its price tag. It falls on the higher end of the spectrum, making it a significant investment. However, For those who prioritize quality and functionality, the Nextbase IQ is well worth the investment. In conclusion, the Nextbase IQ stands out as a top contender in the world of dash cams, thanks to its array of smart features, wide viewing angle, and high-quality video footage. While it may come with a higher price tag, the benefits it provides make it a valuable addition to any vehicle. If you're looking for a dash cam that delivers on performance and reliability, the Nextbase IQ is an excellent choice. Ranked third on our list is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. This compact yet powerful dashcam is perfect for those seeking a discreet solution without compromising on quality. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 boasts a 1080p resolution, ensuring crystal clear video footage of your journeys. With a wide 140-degree viewing angle, it captures a broad perspective of the road ahead, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or scenic highways, this dash cam ensures you capture every detail with precision. One of the standout features of the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is its small and discreet design. Unlike bulkier dash cams that can obstruct your view or draw unwanted attention, this compact device seamlessly blends into your vehicle's interior, ensuring minimal distraction while driving. Its sleek profile makes it virtually unnoticeable, offering a discreet solution for those who prioritize aesthetics. In addition to its compact design, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is packed with features that enhance its functionality. Built-in Wi-Fi capabilities allow for seamless video transfer to your smartphone, enabling you to review footage on the go, easily share important clips with others. This wireless connectivity streamlines the process of accessing and managing your dashcam footage, ensuring convenience and efficiency. When it comes to usability, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 shines. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it easy to navigate settings and adjust preferences with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to dashcams, this device offers a hassle-free experience that anyone can appreciate. While the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers exceptional value for money, it's important to note that it may lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end dashcams. While it covers the essentials with excellence, those seeking additional functionalities such as GPS tracking or advanced driver assistance systems may need to explore other options. In conclusion, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 stands out as a top contender in the world of dash cams for 2024. Its small and discreet design, coupled with its impressive video quality and user-friendly features, make it a standout choice for drivers seeking a reliable and hassle-free solution. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a cross-country road trip, this dashcam ensures you capture every moment with clarity and confidence. In the realm of dashcams, the ThinkWare U3000 stands out as a true powerhouse, earning its spot as the second on the list. Boasting a combination of cutting-edge technology and superior performance, the ThinkWare U3000 is a high-end dashcam designed to meet the needs of even the most discerning drivers. At the heart of the ThinkWare U3000 is its exceptional video quality. Equipped with a 4K front-facing camera and a 2K rear-facing camera, this dashcam captures crystal-clear footage of the road ahead and behind you. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising down the open highway, you can trust the ThinkWare U3000 to deliver stunning visuals that ensure every detail is captured with precision. But the ThinkWare U3000 isn't just about impressive video quality. It's also packed with a wide range of features that enhance both safety and convenience on the road. With the ability to record at up to 60 frames per second, you'll never miss a moment, even in fast-paced driving situations. Plus, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and LTE connectivity ensure seamless connectivity and real-time access to your footage from anywhere, anytime. Safety is paramount with the ThinkWare U3000, which is why it comes equipped with a host of advanced safety features. From lane departure warning to forward collision warning, this dashcam acts as your vigilant co-pilot, alerting you to potential hazards and helping you stay safe on the road. With the ThinkWare U3000 by your side, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you have a trusted companion watching over you at all times. In addition to its impressive technical capabilities, the Thinkware U3000 also boasts a sleek and modern design that complements any vehicle interior. Its discreet form factor ensures minimal distraction while driving, while its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate menus and access settings on the go. Overall, the Thinkware U3000 sets the standard for what a high-end dashcam should be. With its exceptional video quality, advanced features, and sleek design, it's no wonder that the Thinkware U3000 has earned its place as one of the best dashcams of the moment. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a casual driver, this dashcam is sure to exceed your expectations and provide you with peace of mind every time you hit the road. Introducing the Venture N5, the first on our list of the top 5 best dash cameras of the year. If you're in the market for a dashcam with an added layer of functionality, look no further than the Venture N5. This innovative device combines the features of a high-quality dashcam with the added benefit of a built-in radar detector. Let's start with the standout feature of the Venture N5, its built-in radar detector. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the radar detector can be a game-changer. It's designed to alert you to potential speed traps and red light cameras, giving you ample time to adjust your speed and avoid costly tickets. With the Venture N5 by your side, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you have an extra set of eyes on the road. In addition to its radar detection capabilities, the Venture N5 excels in video quality. Equipped with advanced sensors and optics, this dashcam captures crisp and clear footage, ensuring that every detail is captured with precision. Whether it's daytime driving or nighttime commutes, the Venture N5 delivers stunning video quality that you can rely on. Speaking of nighttime commutes, the Venture N5 doesn't disappoint when it comes to night vision. Thanks to its low light performance and infrared sensors, this dashcam provides enhanced visibility in low light conditions. Whether you're driving through poorly lit streets or navigating dimly lit parking garages, the Venture N5 ensures that you can capture every moment, day or night. While the Venture N5 boasts an impressive array of features, it's essential to consider its drawbacks. One potential downside is its price tag, which may be on the higher end of the spectrum for some consumers. However, considering the added functionality of the built-in radar detector, many users find that the investment is well worth it for the peace of mind it provides. It's also worth noting that radar detectors are illegal to use in some jurisdictions. Before purchasing the Venture N5 or any dashcam with radar detection capabilities, be sure to familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations in your area to avoid any potential legal issues. Wrapping it up, the Venture N5 stands out as a top contender in the world of dashcams for 2024. With its built-in radar detector, superior video quality, and night vision capabilities, it's an excellent option for those looking to enhance their driving experience. Just remember to drive safely and responsibly, regardless of the features your dashcam may offer. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.